Hi, in this video I will teach you how I made this effect. So before making any progress, first of all I tried to remove background from this video. I tried rotoscoping but it took a lot of time and I only cut out these parts. So then I record my upper body acting like I am running in front of chroma key and I know I look stupid. Then I record my legs separately and in post I try to merge them but it looked like what I say when your mom says play with the neighbor kid. So what I did, I take 18 screenshot of this video and I remove their background but not with Photoshop cause I don't want to spend an hour. So I use an online website that remove background automatically called remove.bg and I remove my picture background one by one in sequence and I'm not gonna lie, it looked pretty great. Well, you can tell it looked a lot better than this one. Now it's time to set up a background. So I took this city image from Unsplash and blurred it, and I took this cloud image and placed it on top of the city image and changed its blend mode to multiply. Then I took this building image, remove its background and duplicate it and place it on top of the background like this. And I took this image and do the same action on it and place it behind our main building. Then I took a moon image from Google and place it here. And I took this smoke image and place it here. Took this cloud PNG and place it here. Now it's time for do some color adjustment. To make a dark scene, I select the background, add a layer node and bring the gain and gamma down and mask out moon area. Then I add a light rays effect on moon to add glow. Then I select these building and add a layer node, then bring the gain down and then mask out the top area so it look like moon casting light on top of them. Now for front building, do the same as we did to the previous building. Now select the smoke, add a box blur to it and add a camera shake and bring its gain, gamma and lift down. Now select cloud PNG and do the same but this time don't add camera shake. Now we are good to go and it's time for our hero. Now right click on media pool and go to the sequence folder of the images and select all, then right click on the first one and type 1 and then press enter. Now select the first one, hold on shift and select the last one so it select all the images as a sequence and then click open. Now place this behind building and change its speed to 60% and animate its position like this. Now go to the color page to match the color with our background. Now select all and make a new compound clip. Now add a light rays effect on compound clip and change its position to these axes and apply these changes. And at last I color grade final shot, just change its light and dark in HDR to these values. Now change the mid detail to 100% in color page. And final, I add some sound effect. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the final shot. If you want to learn new skill every day, then click the first link in description to get your first month free on Skillshare. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you want to watch more then subscribe to the channel for the future content.